All right, welcome everyone. Just a quick note on the where I was getting a jam here on this one. I hadn't noticed when I was doing all that finagling with turning this piece around, I'd popped this thing out. Then that's what was actually catching between these two. That's what was making it sort of jam up there and not work smoothly. But I finally spotted that. So now we got nice smooth motion back again. So there's no hiccups on it anymore. Okay, that's done. Let that out. I don't think we're putting tracks on any tracks on today. Get to do. I'm pretty sure it's. Well, I guess I could actually look down at the book and see. Yeah, it just supports the structures for all the tracks. So let's get pulling some pieces then. Heat up a little bit. B out. Need B10, B18, and B24. 10, 18, 24. Oops. I hope I need that one because it came off whether I wanted it or not. Oh, what are you? 25. No, I don't. You're in 37. You're in the next step, so we'll hang on to you. 26, 28, and 29. 28, 29, and 26. And 30. Some reasons I got his own. That's weird notation. Okay, then. Got 25. Don't let me forget that by the time I count up that high. 20, 21, 22. 20, 21, 22, 23, and 25. 23 and 25, and another B30. Alright. So we're down to just 3 more pieces left on B. So that's it's always nice to clean out a form, get it emptied of those pieces. Just you really feel like you're making progress then. I cannot figure out how I get so much dirt under my fingernails. I don't have a job I'm not a mechanic. Of course, I never notice it until I'm 3/4 of the way through a video. Or I've already done a video. see here. Now, all these pieces face up where I can see the numbers. So B10 goes into B18 like this. We go. Oops. Down here underneath the gear, right in that corner. Yep. Okay. And B28, 29. Do this and like this. Just go. Let's use our. This one just go from the bottom on that. Right. It goes through here first. Goes on the inside. Okay. Pop you through and pop this on. Yeah, that works better. So put the piece in first, then stick the support onto the piece after it's gone through. Okay. B24 all by its lonesome goes in the next one. B26 also all by its lonesome goes in this one. Make sure they're all down. Alright. And that was step 36. Now on to 37. This is easy. What's 38 look like if I'm feeling ambitious? I'm not feeling ambitious anymore. Just assembling a small piece. Those are never as fun. Okay. Now, 20, take 25, the arc down, from there, we'll go out on the veneer, and 23, yep, with that little ear or whatever going forward. Let's see here. Okay. On this one, this goes through first, and then it goes into this one from the side. Alright. And this one, like so. This one, like so. Going down there, you go. Yeah. You go to this one. Alright. I think that's 37. I'm sure it didn't. Yep. And that is 37. Got all our track supports in. Well, there's one more spot over here for another one right there. Or some other piece of structure there. But otherwise, yeah, that's all done. See if there's any other places they could hook up. No, I think that's, yeah, I say there's going to be something else going over here, but otherwise, that's all our track supports, so they're going to run somewhere in there. But after the long one last time, I'm glad we got a short one in. So thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.